And in our HealthCast today, the FDA is expected to approve the latest COVID-19 vaccine very soon. In fact, maybe as early as next week. This comes as confirmed cases of the virus are inching upward, and some health officials expect the trend to continue into the fall and winter months. The drug maker, Moderna, says its updated COVID vaccine does appear to have a strong response against the BA.2.86 variant. And new research is also showing that women who undergo endometrial ablation for heavy menstrual bleeding may be at a higher risk for needing a hysterectomy in the months and years following that procedure.
The ablation changes the anatomy of the uterus. It makes it more difficult to sample the endometrium and the findings of any abnormal symptoms that a patient may have. And so by virtue of changing the anatomy of the uterus and sometimes masking any underlying issues, that potentially could be a cause.
Gynecological oncologist Dr. Jonathan Black says that ablation does remain a very safe and effective way to treat endometrial bleeding, but clinicians need to provide patients with a realistic success and failure rate as well. And guess what? Could that morning cup of coffee be a placebo when it comes to boosting alertness and performance? Researchers have found that coffee, but not caffeine consumption, increases your brain activity linked to visual processing and higher levels of cognitive function, your brain function. The findings mean that some key benefits of drinking coffee may actually not be related to the caffeine, but to actually other compounds found in coffee. Even the sensory experience of having a cup of joe could have an energy boosting effect on you.